Hey everyone, how's it going? With the new Sonic 2 movie coming out, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw Sonic versus Knuckles from the new movie. If you guys have any other designs you'd like me to try, definitely let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to draw them. But thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our picture of Sonic versus Knuckles from the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie, let's begin with Knuckles. So we're going to put him a little bit higher. We're going to work with him over here. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down. Then we're going to curve it up really high and then back down. Next, we're going to take this line, we're going to bring it over, and we're going to take it up like this. Then inside of here, we're going to add a little oval shape. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out, and then it's going to curve back just a tiny bit. We're going to start a little bit lower, and I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to curve it back to here. Now, starting right here where we ended the eye, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and then we're going to bring it up here. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down. Then I'm going to make a small oval shape for the nose. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come up and down. Then we want to start here and bring this line back up here for the mouth. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go around, and then we're just going to curve it up here by the eye. Then we'll add a couple little lines in here for the teeth. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that goes up. It's going to come over, and then it's going to go back down here. Then we're going to make a line that comes up on each side. Starting here, I'm going to draw a big curved line. And then I'm going to start here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around and then connect to here for like the thumb. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go down, come back up, and then we're going to connect it to here for his big fist. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down for a point, and then one more here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that connects to here. Right here, I'm going to make another line that comes down. We're going to make a line that comes out to a point and back. We're going to make a little line here, another line that comes out to a point, and we're just going to connect it to here. Right above here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down for like an eyebrow. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and it's going to go down for the body. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to curve back. Make a line that's going to come back, and then we're going to go down here for the leg. And we'll connect it. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go back. We're going to bring this line up and back here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come right up here. We're going to draw a little line down. Then we're going to make a little curved line on each side. Next, we'll draw another line that's going to go up, and we're going to bring it down to here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to curve it around. We're going to bring it up and to here. Next, we'll do that same thing, just kind of like that same shape with a little line right underneath it. We'll draw a square shape on here, and two lines that come down. We'll draw a curved line here, two curved lines on each side for the top of the shoe, and another little curved line around here. We'll draw a line that goes out, it's going to come down, bring it back and up here. Then we'll put another one right here underneath it. We'll do that same thing. We'll add a little square shape and two lines coming down for some detail. Next, back here, let's make a little line that's going to be kind of wavy. It's going to come to a point and then back for like a tail. Now, starting right here, let's make that other fist of his. So I'm going to start right out here first. I'm going to make a little point with a curved line, kind of like a cone shape, and another one here. These are going to be those little spikes on his knuckles. Let's add a curved line in between. And then we'll make a line that's going to go around. We're going to come down and then bring it up. Then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up and then bring it to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down just to show where his rest of his hair is. And then we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up. We're going to go down and up again for the detail on him. Okay, now that we have Knuckles, let's go ahead and draw Sonic over here, kind of coming at him. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're going to begin with his face. So we want to start by drawing a line that's just going to come down. We're going to go up and down like this. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and connect. And then I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. We'll draw a little line that's going to go up and down right above the eye. And right here, I'm going to make another line that's going to come up here. Right here, I'm going to make a little oval shape for the nose. We'll draw a little line right there to connect. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. We're going to go up and bring it around. Starting here by the eye, let's bring this line down and then up to here, with a couple little lines in here for some teeth. And we're going to make more of a circle shape here for his eye. Starting right here, I'm going to curve this line in just a little bit. And we're going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and then down for the ear. Right here, we're going to draw this line up. We're going to curve it all the way back to here and then bring it back. do another one here. We're going to make a nice big point and bring it back. Then we'll put one right here. We're going to go down and bring it right towards the mouth. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up and then back for the ear. With that same thing, little line up and then down. Do a little line across. Right here, let's make a line that's going to come down for the arm. Then we'll go up and down again. I'm going to come down and then up to here. Do a little line across. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and then down and up. Then we'll make another one that's going to curve around. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to come up and down. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down. We're going to put a couple bumps on here. And we're going to bring it to here. Right here, let's draw a little line that's going to curve down for his body. And we're going to bring it right to about here. For his back, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to make a little line that's going to go down and then it'll angle back and come down for his leg. Next, we're going to come over and bring it up for that leg. Now for a shoe, let's draw a little line. We'll make this line curve around it, and one more here. Draw a line that's going to come down, bring it around, and back up. We'll also draw one more of these little lines right around here. We'll put a stripe here and a stripe right here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out, and we're going to bring it back. Another one, we're going to come down, and we're going to draw this line over and down. We'll do pretty much the same thing for the other shoe. We'll make our curved line, and we'll make two around it, and one more. Make a line that's going to go out. We'll curve it around and bring it to here. Connect it there. And one more here. Little line here, and then we'll connect it down. Little line out to a point, and then bring it back. Now we're going to put his other arm over here, kind of like he's swinging. So we're going to make a little line that's just going to go up and down like a half circle. We'll put two little lines here and one here. We're going to make a line that's going to curve in with a line above it. The line's going to come up and down, and then up and down right here. And the last thing, I'm just going to draw a little bit of a curved line here to kind of define his face. And then finally, we're going to put two stripes right on here for the shoe. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sonic vs. Knuckles from the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.